Hello everyone, welcome back to Carl Fix. Quick video here to say if your snow foamer isn't forcing any foam out, only water, what is up with your foamer? And before I show you, the two likely culprits are either the metal mesh that's in the front of here that creates the foam is clogged, or one of the fittings will be clogged. And if you've got a half decent snow cannon like mine that's got metal connections, you should be able to take it apart and look where the fitting is clogged. So to do that, you're going to need, on my particular one, a 12mm socket, but yours may vary. And obviously you can pull the tube off, and if you look under there, there's a 12mm screw or bolt, and if you undo that, this will come apart, and I'll show you where my blockage was. So I'll just unscrew that now. So I've got a socket here, just whap it on. It's not on tight, so you just quickly whap it off like so. And it'll screw off easily. And in there, look, if you can see, if I zoom in, you can see it's full of foam, old soap. And what it is it's blocking the hole where it sucks the foam up. As the water goes through the pressure washer, the vacuum sucks water through the hose out of your bottle into the mesh, and that's what creates the foam. So if you've got a blockage there, no foam will be sucked into the cannon to mix with the water to create the foam. So you need to clean out the foam hole, and I would backwash some hot water or boiling water through the actual entrance and exit to clear the mesh which is in there, so you don't have to take the whole mechanism apart. But that is the main culprit. It gets foam left in there, and it coagulates in there and creates a problem for you. So we'll just get in there and clean it. So I've just got this big brush here, bit of water. You're probably better to use a toothbrush or a pick, and if you're just scrubbing the cavity, you can see there that the hole is back and how much of a difference that has made. That hole was pretty much fully clogged with old soap, and now your foamer will work again. Just rinse it off, rinse some water through it. You can also see in the top, or in where it's actually screwed in, it's full of it as well. So if you clean the top and the bottom, your foamer should work perfectly fine again. So they're now cleaned. You can just screw them back together. As easy as that. Tighten it up. Little twist, that'll do, that's enough. And your foam cannon will now work perfectly fine again. If you're still having problems, I would advise forcing water through the end or the front, and there's a mesh in there that may be clogged, but it's most likely going to be in there where it sucks the soap through, where you're going to have the issues. And that is all for today. Quick and easy video on how to repair your snow foamer. Please like, favourite, subscribe, all that stuff if you've got this far in the video. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.